Arson's Christmas life hack skeleton. We're gonna cook some rabbit, you know, but it's too stiff. We need to soften this. It needs to be softened up first, you know. Alright, that did the trick, you know. Fucking never not with soup and always reliable, you know, never not reliable. You can even dress up like this for a Halloween party. They'll be like, oh, what are you supposed to be? You can be like, help. Come on, get over. I need you for a POV rabbit job.
But my cage is locked.
Well, alright. Shit. I'll put it. This thing's bleeding everywhere, man. It's worse than a Disney Channel Virgin, dude. I don't know where the fuck. There you go. Don't. What do you mean? Oh yeah, I forgot. I locked your cage, sure. Alright, there you go. We'll just get over it now. Alright, here comes Bugs Bunny, because it's lolly season, you know. It's just.
Rabbit blood in my mouth. I'm gonna see the salmon now.
Nah, it's gonna be fine. It's not a salmon, you fucking stupid. It's not salmon. It's just a rabbit. It's fine. Also, you should be like immune to salmonella. It's like you are it, so you can't. Just open your mouth. Alright, I don't even know what to start with this marinade. We'll just take some of the garlics and we'll finely chopped onions. How many cloves? Yes. We can take, what is this? Sure, that's fine. Salt, obviously, pepper. What are you things? It's some, we can drag, extra life hacks. Instant refill. There you go, instantly refilled. It's more now that whatever that gets in there. Why did my dragoon turn into Timian? Or Timian, you can stay. We'll try this again. First, I had dragoon though. Or you? Oh, magic trick mulligan. All right. Here's the empty. We magic this. Okay, never mind. Check it. We did it. Olive oil, you know. Oh, no. More olive oil, you know. Always more olive oil. I don't know. Some Worcestershire sauce is never bad. Also, it has the. Here we have it. It's mixed. I used the garlic press for normal onions. It works. I was wasting life hacks. I should keep that for another life. It's gonna forget area is mix it around until there you go. Now doesn't that just look like it's already been eaten once? But it's fine. We'll always gotta add some little squirts, some lime, citron, you know. All right, I'll be real. I have no idea how this is gonna come out, but you'll find out together. You know. Boost that Pokemon, you know. Oh shit. Oh, who's that Pokemon in that? Oh, maybe someone used sleep powder on. Oh. Pikachu? Pikachu, what the fuck? Where my Pokeflute at? Oh, alright, it's right here. I forgot. Alright, Pikachu, hold on. We gotta find you. We go there. Pikachu, it's gonna be fine. Maybe I'll go to the local youth center and be like, yo, I didn't use a condom. Now what the fuck am I supposed to do with this? Chat. Right. Oh wait, it's the head. We found the head, or it goes in the thing. We're only cooking, we keep finding more gifts. Chat, do you want rabbit balls? No rabbit balls. Dude, send me your address, I'll mail you that. Oh. Here's what we're doing, we're grabbing bags. We grab bag, we'll bagging. Alright, we have the triple bag ready. We're just gonna slather all over this thing now. Perfect. Gotta get in there. Get all over. Oh hell yeah, chat. Chat, please. I'll send you my rabbit. Just that's a bunny that I would marinate and put in the oven and have sex with. I mean, cook it 6 in the oven. Dude, this actually smells like food. Dude, come to Arson's restaurant. It actually smells like food. Alright, into the Pokeball you go, Bambi. The bags were somehow one more bag for daddy, one more bag for daddy. Come on, oh, there you go. Dude, always double wrap. Always use 5 condoms if you're... Never spend more on the woman than you spend on the condoms. Just for safety, kids. Also, we're gonna leave this overnight and we'll. Alright, real talk. I accidentally deleted the footage of like the cooking of the thing, but luckily we have spare bunny. Fuck out of here, spare bunny. We have spare bunny, you know. There you go. I'll just have to. We'll recreate it. We'll cook this shit instead. You already had the marinade. This is gonna be flavorless. So I'll make a new one. Now whatever, this is the thing. I got 2 of them, right? Alright, we'll just recreate the whole fucking video, right? Dude, no, look at this thing. It's crime scene refrigerator. Whatever. What do you have in the bag, Arson? It's, get the... Really? Fucking Houdini couldn't get out of this bag. There's the victim. I mean, okay. Oh, it's so slithery. Oh no, it's drip. Grab it, alright. Get open. Get your way out. Just get out of there. You paint me like one of your friends' maids. Girls paint? We're gonna fuck this rat. Oh, dude, that looks good. I'm gonna. Oh yeah, we removed this slot in the we got this out of there. Whatever. Just remove the things. Get out of the brown. Gots to go down. Take them and put them in. Put them in the pizza ingredients bag. Whoa, one day. Alright, I'm not gonna redo the fucking marinade, but dude, the marinade fucking slapped. It was like one of the best marinades I've made in my fucking life. Even though the red was overcooked. But whatever, dude, the marinade fucking slapped. Use it for everything. We'll just fucking pepper this shit. Pepper. Salt that bitch. Fucking garlic powder. Paprika, cause that always fucking works. Then fucking cadmium, you know. Cadmium that bitch. And cannel. Oh, don't fucking shove it right into my cannel. Wait, anal and cannel doesn't rhyme. Whatever, it's cinnamon. Cinnamon and lastly some chili-roni for my rabbit-a-roni. There you go, get it in there. I'm gonna I'll just rub this thing all over and there you go. Just mop it all up. Get all that flavor on the other. Mop it all up. Yo, let's also like fuck this thing in some olive oil, right? Add lemon, squirts with lemon. Dude, this recipe is probably gonna be way better than the fucking original one. But I made some fucking killer jokes in the first video that I totally forgot what the jokes were, or I would have recreated them. But the alternative reality where you would have seen the original video, you've been like, "Ah, this is funny." But now we might actually eatable. This might actually become something I can eat. Right? I don't know how to oven rabbits. So we're just gonna do 225 for an hour. We'll see where that gets us. You know. Now let's see what we created. Let's see what we have made. We have made one of these things right here. Alright. Yo, no joke, this looks like way fucking better than the first thing that you couldn't see, but it looks way less dry. See how moist that is? It actually has the moist. I know, okay, let's take a fresh bite-a-roni. Okay, well, can I get a fresh bite-a-roni here? Could I get a fresh? Just one fresh, please. Alright, here we go. One fresh. The freshest of bites. Let's find out. Let's find out. Yo! Dude, that's actually really good. Oh, wow. I just poured like random fucking spice. A little bit spicy, but yo, way fucking good. Holy shit, give me more of this. Give me some more of this, though. Holy shit. Dude, bunny masterpiece right here. Dude, I would this bunny right here. Give me some fresh. Juicy. It's actually good. It's good. Dude, I would actually I would use my mouth to eat this. It's good. Good. Arson's Christmas Life Hacks Calendar.